Good morning from Victoria Falls. Here we have a pigeon with a broken flight feather. It's number 7. We'll show you how we repair this. What we need is a feather that's a similar shape and a bit longer than the one that's broken off. And we need a needle. The needle is better than a pin because it's normally strong steel, doesn't bend easily, and it has the eye of the needle at the end, which stops the shaft from rotating once you've glued it. And you need super glue. We cut feather back to a part where it's a bit thicker so that we can get into to join the feather. We measure the feather that's going to be joined and we cut that back so it's the same, it's the right length. The next thing we do is put some super glue onto the needle and then we push it into the shortened shaft like that, leaving the pin side or the sharp edge out so that you can push the other feather onto it. Now we place super glue on the edge of the pin or the needle. There's the repaired wing, something I've done for years with success.